A major update out of Kerrville today. The Kerr County Sheriff's Office has released the full audio files from all 911 calls made during the deadly flooding on July 4th. Our journalists are reviewing the audio files of 911 calls from that morning. The recordings are disturbing. They capture real-time fear and confusion as the floodwaters rose. We're publishing limited portions of these recordings because they offer important insight into how the disaster unfolded and how emergency crews responded. The following call was made at 4:30 a.m. by a family stuck in their home in Hunt, Texas, with their children.
We're going to die.
We're going to do everything we can to avoid that, okay?
I have an infant. She can't hold her breath. If you come and the water's too high and you say, hold your breath, she can't hold her breath. The water is at the windows. It's going to come in all at once. The windows are rattling.
The family was rescued from their home and all survived. The Sheriff's Office published data on the real-time calls and discovered that between 3 a.m. and noon, a total of 552 911 calls were made to Kerr County dispatchers. Over 120 phone calls were placed between the hour of 4 and 5 a.m. alone. The floods claimed the lives of at least 135 people, including 27 campgoers and counselors at Camp Mystic. The campsite plans to reopen next year with a memorial to victims despite objections from victims' families.